Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can customize your start page, or some may call them home page, on Microsoft Edge web browser. For instance, if you'd like to improve and enhance your experience here on Microsoft Edge. So let us guide you through this and show you how you can customize and edit your start page according to your own imagination and taste, and all of that without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started right away. So guys, launch the Microsoft Edge web browser, for example, on your laptop or on your desktop computer. So let me run it here on my computer really quickly. As you can see, it runs perfectly and smoothly also on older PCs with an older operating system like Windows 10, for instance. So guys, as you can see, that's the start page here on Microsoft Edge. It is basically your Edge's web browser's start page. For example, if you click on that home button here at the top, you'll be automatically redirected to that start page, or if you click on a plus icon here at the top to access a new tab. So it's different from accessing a specific website. So let me also show you all of these features one by one and explain what they mean and how you can customize and edit your start page. So here you will see the search bar. For example, you may use Microsoft Copilot as your favorite AI tool, for example, by clicking on that icon here on the right edge of your search bar, or simply enter your search term or keyword here where it says search the web, press enter, and after that you will be redirected to these pages full of search entries provided by Microsoft Bing as your search engine. So below you would see all of websites that have been classified by Microsoft Edge as your most frequently visited websites, or you may call them favorite websites. To add your favorite websites to that list of shortcuts, simply click on Add Shortcut here, enter the name of the website here, its URL below, and confirm by clicking on Add Below. Or you may also remove these if you don't consider them your favorite websites by clicking on these three dots in the top right of that website icon, rename them, or simply click on remove to remove them from your start page. Also guys, if you right click anywhere here in the background, you'll be given the opportunity to either refresh the page, which you usually do by clicking on that button here at the top or by pressing F5, or you may also edit and change your background image. As you can see, my web browser here on Edge features that background image, but you may simply select your favorite ones, upload it from your device by clicking on Edit Background here, go through that library, use one of the images you may find in the Microsoft Edge library, or upload your own by clicking on that button here. You may also give Edge the command to change your background daily, to not get bored from having the same image background all the time. So let me click off. And in the next step, guys, let me show you how you can customize and edit your start page even more, because these here were only the most basic features. You can add quite a lot of useful apps, widgets, and features and functions to your start page here on Edge as well. To do that, click on that gear icon in the top right corner, not into these three dots here, because these will only lead you to your browser settings, and your browser settings are distinct or different from your page settings here. So more about that just in a second. So to customize your start page, click into page settings here. And after that, go through these features one by one. You may, for example, enable the Copilot Discover feature. It's currently in the preview version, as you can see, so you may enable it here. So let me do it really quickly. After that, you will be redirected to that feature here. So let me turn it off really quickly and proceed with a start page customization. So what you want to do after that is select a region and language for your start page, like for example English or any other language from that list. Then you may also, for instance, decide how many rows of quick links you would like to see. These quick links are the aforementioned most frequently visited websites. So you may, for example, only select one row. That is going to reduce that row of frequently visited websites here, or turn these off entirely by selecting off here. Let me switch back to 2 rows, just like that. So what you want to do after that, guys, is go through these widgets below. For example, you may enable widgets by turning on show widgets here. That is going to give you the opportunity to add various widgets from your browser settings. We're going to show you how to do that just in a moment, like for example the weather or news feed and so on and so forth to your start page here. And below you may assign a custom layout like full page, for example, partial view, headings. And below here next to show feed, you may enable, for example, the latest news from MSN. You may do that as well. So in the next step, guys, what you want to do is click into or scroll down till you get to custom theme here and click into manage. That is going to redirect you to your browser settings. And as previously mentioned, these browser settings are different from your page setup because they will give you the opportunity to go a bit more into the detail and customize your browser's overall appearance, add various buttons, tabs, and widgets to your start page. So you will be redirected to your appearance settings here. So what you want to do, guys, is select, for example, a custom theme. By clicking or by selecting one of these here, you may also restore your start page and the theme to its factory settings and to the default theme by clicking on default here. You may also select a light mode or a dark mode here next to overall appearance. And then, guys, you may also customize your toolbar here at the top by clicking, for example, on home button. That is going to redirect you to your toolbar settings. So you may enable the home button here. Let me disable it and enable it back again. As you can see, by clicking on that home button, you will be automatically redirected to your start page. And yeah, simply keep customizing your toolbar. For instance, you may add the tool for extensions. For example, if you have installed various extensions on Microsoft Edge and you would like to manage them, remove them, disable them, enable them. To do that, simply make sure that you select show automatically or always show here next to extensions and go through that list and add as many tools as you like the downloads, for example, the performance settings, the split screen feature, your browsing history, installed apps, and so on and so forth. So that's how you customize your toolbar. Let me just return to the previous menu and keep customizing our web browser's appearance. So you may, for example, change the page colors by clicking on that arrow down icon here and by select a specific page color setup here, or apply these page colors to specific sites. Now, what about these additional widgets for your start page? You may add, like, for example, extensions and widgets like the weather forecast. For instance, if you'd like to get informed and notified of the weather forecast in your region, you may do that by simply heading over to the extensions. You may access your extensions management center by clicking on that tab here at the top, and after that click into get extensions for Microsoft Edge. Next, use the search bar at the top to find, for example, weather related extensions. Click on it. After that, click into the given extension below and install it by clicking on that button here to add it to your start page as a widget. And you can do the same with any other widget you would like to add as an extension to your start page, like, I don't know, a calculator or something like that. So you may do that as well. And last but not least, let me show you also how you can change your start page. To do that, head back to your browser settings and head over to Start Home and New Tab Page here on the left panel. And after that, pay attention to that section here, home button, and below switch from new tab page, which is the current setup. For example, if I head over to my start page and click on that home button, as previously mentioned, I will be automatically redirected to that start page. So to change that, simply switch from new start page to set custom site, and below enter your preferred new start page here, the URL below, like for example, google.com, for instance. And that's it. From now on, you will be redirected to your destination page every time you click on that home button here at the top. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you customize your start page on Microsoft Edge. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.